Hello, welcome to Introducing Computer Systems, a video 2. In this video we're going to talk about the different hardware components that make up a computer system. Computers come in all shapes and sizes, from small smartphones to powerful desktop machines, but they all share some key components that make them work. The components of a computer system can be grouped into two main categories: core subsystems and peripheral subsystems. The core subsystems are the most essential parts of the computer. They handle the fundamental operations and include the processor and memory. Processor: the processor, also known as the CPU, Central Processing Unit, is the brain of the computer. It carries out all the calculations and makes decisions based on the instructions it's given. Whether you're opening a program, playing a game, or simply typing a letter, the processor is working to process data and keep everything running smoothly. The speed at which the processor operates is crucial because it determines how quickly the computer can perform tasks. Memory, often referred to as RAM, random access memory, is where the computer temporarily stores the programs and data that are currently in use. For instance, if you're editing a document or playing a game, that information is stored in memory so the processor can access it quickly. Memory is volatile, meaning that if the computer loses power, everything stored in the memory is lost. This is why it's important to save your work frequently. The main advantage of memory is that it allows for very fast data retrieval, enabling the computer to perform tasks efficiently. While the core subsystems are essential for the computer's basic functioning, the peripheral subsystems manage all other tasks. These include the storage, input, output, and communication subsystems. Storage is where the computer keeps programs and data that aren't currently being used. Unlike memory, storage is non-volatile, which means it retains information even when the computer is turned off. This is where all your files, such as photos, documents, and games, are saved. Storage comes in various forms, such as hard drives, solid-state drives, SSDs, or removable media like USB sticks. While data retrieval from storage is slower than from memory, storage is essential for long-term data preservation. Input and output subsystems. Input subsystems include devices like keyboards and mice, which allow you to send information to the computer. Output subsystems include monitors and printers, which enable the computer to send information back to you. These subsystems are crucial for interacting with the computer, letting you see what's happening on the screen and control what the computer does. Communication subsystems. Communication subsystems allow the computer to connect with other devices or networks, such as the Internet. This includes components like Wi-Fi cards, Ethernet ports, and Bluetooth. These subsystems enable the computer to send and receive data from other computers or devices, making it possible to browse the web, download files, or connect to a printer wirelessly. Okay, let's summarize. The core and peripheral subsystems work together to make your computer operate effectively. The processor and memory handle the critical operations, while the storage, input, output, and communication subsystems allow you to store data, interact with the computer, and connect to other devices and networks. Understanding how these subsystems interact helps you appreciate the complexity of your computer and why each part is important for its overall performance. And that's it. You now know the components that make up a computer system. If you enjoyed our content, please do not forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. See you in the next video.